Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. SPERAS D4S battery charger. So let's take a look how we can use this product. Beautiful case, I like it. And the manual. Two cables. 50 centimeter length, type A to type C, and another one, type A to micro USB. I will use the type C. We have 3 ports. You can use only the 2 ports, 5 volt 2 amps type C or micro USB. Use a power adapter only 5 volt 2 amps. Button A and button C, I will show you how you can use these buttons. The D4S can charge up to 4 batteries simultaneously, including the 21700, 26650, 18650 and NIM NICD batteries. Max charging current 2 amps first slot, 1 amp second slot, or if you use 4 slots is 0.5 amps. Each slot is controlled independently and automatically detects battery voltage in order to safely manage the charge. So here we have some batteries, 26650, 18650, NIM batteries, and of course I need the cable, type C port. Let's start with the 26650. And it's starting with 0.5 amps. With the A button you can increase 1 amp or 2 amps. Automatically selects of course and the optimal charging current based on the status of the battery. Or if you want, you can use this button and choose the amps. You can see here how it's changing from 0.5 to 2 amps. You have 3 options. And of course, you can install another battery. Charging on 0.5 amp. You can select 1 amp, you can't select 2 amps because you are using 2 slots. And you can see the information with this button for the 4 battery or the 3rd battery. 3rd battery 4.17 volt, 93%. The 4th battery 4.11 volts, 86% the battery. And of course you can install another battery, NIM battery, 3 slots right now. You can use more than 0.5 amps. Or you can use a smaller battery. Another 18650. Right now we are using all the slots. Again, you can use more than 0.5 amps. You can select and see for each batteries the information. So for the fastest way to charge one battery, just use only 1 slot. Removing 1 slot and leaving 1 slot only. Now I can choose maximum 2 amps. Here we can see 6 mAh charging, 1 minute. Again, I can go at 2 amps. Let's use all the slots, only with 18650. And check the informations for each battery. Almost all the batteries are fully charged. With this button you can check the first battery, 1 hour and 29 minutes, 4.2 volts, 99% charged. Second battery, 24 minutes, 4.2 volts, 100% charged. 1 minute for the third battery, was already fully charged. And the fourth battery, 41 minutes, 4.2 volts, 100%. I really like the multi-slot design, the clear charging indicators, and the fact that it is compatible with different battery types, making it a versatile tool for use with flashlight, cameras, and more. Thanks for watching, keep your gear powered, and I'll see you in the next one.